Hey guys, back with another vlog. I'm just gonna be basically telling you guys some survival college hacks, surviving the year, doing well in classes, studying, enjoying your life. So come along for some of that.
By far, flashcards are my favorite way to study. It forces you to know the term. So I can set a timer when I study. So I'll do it for like 30 minutes, take a little break, and then do it for another 30 minutes. And I only get stuff done in the morning. So I always wake up early to study because then I know I'll get everything done.
If you want to do well in your exams, I swear, flashcards, do them and then like word vomit everything you remember on your notes and then do your flashcards again. Put the little sandwich method, and I swear you'll get your grades on your exams.
Especially right now, while it's still nice, I love to go for a walk. It's a great brain break, and getting outside, fresh air, any type of exercise, I find kind of just recenters you. Studying can be super exhausting, so getting outside and doing things you love is super important.
Having your calendar with all your due dates and a to-do list is so helpful.
Next is taking notes in class. I think is so important. Like actually writing things down and making images just helps you retain everything so much better.
If you guys haven't figured out yet, I am on the promo team at this school and I'm in classes full time. I am taking 5 classes this semester and I'm on the hockey team. So balancing that all can be hard.
Although it's hard, finding a balance is so important, whether it's a game day or whether I have a midterm coming up in a few days. Finding that right balance at that time in life is super important for success. The last thing I like to do is change the scenery. Sometimes being stuck in the same room or house all the time can make things quite boring and unmotivational. Personally, going to get a coffee and studying in a coffee shop helps me get my work done.
That's all I have for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy my little tips and tricks, and I wish you the best of luck on your exams and your midterms and all your assignments. So bye for now.